Hey everyone, Chef John with Monogram Appliances. I'm happy to bring you my holiday hard seltzer today. This is not a difficult cocktail to make, you just need the right ingredients. That begins with the Monogram Nugget Ice. So I'm going to start with this ice that's a little bit more aerated. It has a little bit more chewing capabilities to it, but it also sounds really great when you're swirling your glass around. So we're going to start just about a half glass of that. Next, we want to muddle kind of some fruit, get some flavors going in this dish. So we're going to take our pomegranate seeds, get those down in there. Beautiful. And then on the orange, what I like to do is take just a little bit of that zest. It's okay if you just make some little cuts there. We don't want so much of the white pith part. We just want the zest. There's oils. There's almost like natural tannins in there that come out, just like in our grapes, that allow us to kind of have a different flavor, more elevated concept to our cocktail. So I take a little bit of that in there. I know you guys are looking at the orange going, well, what about the rest? It's all right, we can use some of that too if you want. Put a few slices in there, get a little bit of that juice going. It's gonna work well with the pomegranate seeds, which have acidity and great antioxidants. We're gonna take some of that thyme, break a little bit of that off, and we're gonna muddle that into, give it a twist. We want those oils to release once again. And when we dump the vodka over the top of both the pomegranate orange, that great Monogram Nugget Ice, and of course the thyme, everything's gonna start to come out in time, of course. Now we'll give it a stir. Meld, and one of my favorite words in cooking and in cocktail making is the maceration of flavors. Oh, maceration just means like the longer you let it sit, the more uniform everything becomes. So you could stick this in the refrigerator until you're done with your last call or until the last guests leave. If you want something special for yourself, give that a good stir and leave it there for just a second. Now, we're gonna take a nice, really just a tangerine juice, blood orange juice works very well too. Sparkling or effervescent if you like it. If that's your cup of tea, do that. And I am a bubbles guy. I like it in my wine, I like it in my soda for sure, and definitely my cocktail. Now folks, when you see this on at someone's home or being served, it looks good all by itself if you just set it out like that. But go over the top. Make it an occasion. Get an actual garnished platter like you see here. I went ahead and put the Monogram M on mine with a little candy sugar. And then take another sprig of that thyme and make those cocktails really stand apart. Folks, I'm John Liddell. Happy holidays. I hope you enjoy my holiday hard seltzer.